battery-powered motorcycles. If you think about it, it's been in talks about this for well over a decade, and still nobody buys the electric-powered, or should I say battery-powered motorcycles. Why? Let's put it this way, it's extremely expensive. That's basically the main reason why people will not go to that extent, because it's really expensive. You get hybrid ones that are semi-fuel for cars. People still buy that. Why? Because you know the battery in the cars gets charged when you're running on fuel. So if you think about it, if that happens on a motorcycle, maybe there might be people that will buy it. The bad point about that is, look, everybody will drop the bike sooner or later. Unlike cars, you can't drop a car. And for a motorcycle, once you drop, there's no guarantee that you have scenarios where the bike will leak, the battery will leak, you have issues with the bike that's relating to the power and all that stuff. So there's no guarantee that it will be safe, or should I say the bike is safe to be ridden. So you have that kind of worry with if you buy a electric powered motorcycle. But regardless of that being true or not, which is true, because you can't guarantee whether or not the bike is going to be safe if you drop the bike, and you can bet the insurance on that is going to be really expensive. But it's going to be merging into this lane. But the truth of the matter is, even if you get a scenario where the price is going to be same, right? I'm not expecting it ever to be cheaper, but it will be at least the same as a 4-stroke. Question is, will you get scenarios where people are abusing it and, like, you know, try to unlock the bike and make it more powerful? Because let's face it, you will get people that will do that because it's battery powered. People will do that. People already have been doing it on motorcycles that are not battery powered. Even carbureted bikes. We don't even talk about 4-stroke. Carbureted bikes. People are already doing it. But from my understanding is that it's mainly because of that. And how much research has gone into it anyway, because how many people are actually going to buy those motorcycles? Few and far between. But in any case, that's just my opinion. If you have the money and you want to buy it, by all means, go ahead. It's your money, it's your life. But do be safe. And I'm not sure whether any insurance will cover that. I don't think anyone covers that at the moment. But until then, guys, thanks for watching.